Yeah, just got back from my little small vacation up in Catskills, and I immediately had to put in this Ventrue Nexus 5. I was a giveaway winner from TrackHawk. I appreciate you guys. You partnered up with Ventrue, and I was the lucky winner to get chosen. So I definitely had to come install that when I got back from vacation. I need to put an SD card in there, and she is on in the back, ready to go. I gotta readjust the camera back there, but other than that, I would start the car, but like I said, I've been on vacation. I just got back for like 3 days, and it'll be loud. Matter of fact, I gotta readjust the camera. I was tired of the noise, but everything came out really super clean. I wire tucked the hell out of it. Wire to go in there, put it through the loom in there underneath all this,